12 to 15 series Diagnosable battery repair FPC operation video. Enable original batteries that can run diagnostics to run diagnostics. Allow locked batteries to run diagnostics without lock. Enable third-party batteries to run diagnostics as well. The operation method is the same for all three battery types. Here we demonstrate with an original battery that cannot run diagnostics. Demonstrate with V1SPO and the 12 to 15 series battery detection adapter. V1SE, V1SPO use, and V1SPO share the same operation steps. Attach the corresponding diagnosable battery repair PFC onto the battery that cannot run diagnostics. Buckle the battery with the repair FPC attached onto the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Activate to activate the battery repair FPC and bind it to the battery. After activation, click Modify. Reset cycle count and set battery health to 100%. Confirm after modification. After writing data, install the battery into the phone and run diagnostics. You can see that the diagnostic window is now available. Run diagnostics. You can see the battery has been diagnosed as genuine. Then complete the diagnostic process. Diagnostics completed. The battery has been fixed. Comparison with and without the repair FPC.